What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Home Gardening Channel. Today I wanted to do a quick video on how to propagate marigolds. And these are marigolds. They're a great companion plant. They're beautiful. You can put them all over your garden and they'll keep pests away because they have a specific smell that aphids and other pests don't like. So they're a great companion and repellent for bugs. Beautiful plant. The leaves are like a dark green, really aesthetic, even when they don't have the flowers, but they do have some beautiful flowers. And these are incredibly easy to duplicate or clone, probably as easy as tomatoes by just taking a clipping. And here I will show you guys that I have, see how they've all grown roots already. And these, what I do is sometimes I make like a little bouquet for the house, and I'll clip them and I'll put them in water and they'll stay good for months. And if you want them to stay really good for a really long time, you can put some hydroponic nutrients in the water and keep them near light, and you pretty much will have a living floral arrangement that will live for months and months in the house and not dry up, as long as you keep on adding water, nutrients, and provide a sunny window. So this is like super simple. Basically, I'll just pick, a branch, and usually I like to cut these back because they do grow like crazy. So this is actually, some leftover anyways from me clipping them and pruning them. So I just cut, this piece. And sometimes when you cut them, you will even see that roots are already starting in some of these cuttings. So basically, I just take this, I cut it into pieces, and set it in water. And in 3 or 4 days, you'll see roots on them, just like these. I mean, these already got roots all over them, as you can see there. And they're ready to plant in the garden. So what I do with the other ones that are rooted now is I'll take them and I'll stick them in the soil when it's cool outside. You don't want to bring them out when it's incredibly hot. If you bring them outside when it's 100 degrees out and they've been in the house when it's 70, then they're probably going to wilt and die. So you kind of want to hard them off, bring them into a shady area, leave them there for a couple hours to get used to the heat outside because it's summertime, and bring them back in for a little bit and do that for a couple of days. They're pretty hardy, and then eventually just plant them into the soil, and these roots that you see here will catch on, and you'll have a bunch of new marigold plants all over your garden, and they'll beautify your garden, they'll beautify your space, and they'll also keep pests away. So a great companion plant, super easy to duplicate and clone and have it all over your yard to beautify it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to give us a like, subscribe, and share so we can continue growing, and I'll see you really soon on the next one.